Math, Homelink 1.12, Frames and Arrows. Please take time to read the family note before getting started. The directions state to show someone at home how to complete these frames and arrows diagrams. Number 1, the rule is +3, so the students can see the arrow tells you that for every box you add 3 to the previous. So you're adding 3 to each line, and it helps to actually put that +3 there to remind the students that the arrow means that each frame is going up by 3. So you go from 12 cents to 15 cents to 18 cents to 21 cents, and this is skip counting by 3s, to 24 cents. They give that one to you, and that's a good checkpoint, and then 27 cents. The next rule tells us that it's subtract by 100. So the students can put the subtract by 100 on those arrows to help them remember. Eventually we'll get into arrows that are different, so they'll have 2 rules, so it's good to notice what arrow goes for which number. So when you're subtracting by 2, you start at 1,000, you go down to 900. 800 is the checkpoint, 700, 600, and 500. Remind the students that the only number that is changing is first the thousands place and then the hundreds as well. In the next problem, the rule is blank, so they do not give you the rule. You must figure out the rule. The students find the 2 combination numbers here, 42 and 48, and they need to realize that that's 6 apart. So the ones place changed from 2 to 8. So that goes up by 6. So they can put in the rule of +6, and for each of these they can add the +6 to each arrow. And to make sure that they got it right, they can start at 24, add 6, it goes up to 30, then 36, the checkpoint is 42 and 48, and then 54. In the practice, write the amount in dollars and cents notation, so the students will have the dollar sign, the dollar amount, a decimal point, and the change. So we have $1 decimal point. That separates your dollar amount from your change. You have a quarter and a dime for 35 cents. A nickel makes 40, another nickel makes 45, and a penny makes 46 cents. $1.46. They can say and, because that represents the decimal point. In your next example, they can count the dimes as 10, 20, so they can count them off as they go and check them, 20 and 30 cents in dimes, and this is a good place to do the work here. They have 30 cents in dimes, and they have 2 quarters for 50 cents. They have 1 nickel for 5 cents, and they have 2 pennies. So they're adding all that up, and that equals 87 cents, but they have to put the 0 because they have no dollar amount, the decimal point, and 87. In the next problem, they have a 10 and 2 ones, which is $12. The decimal point separates. Now they have a nickel and a penny for 6 cents. Make sure they don't put a 6 here and then a 0, that it represents 60 cents. They should know they have no value of dimes, so it's 0 and 6, so $12, 6 cents. In the last problem, they are supposed to draw coins to show 89 cents in at least 2 different ways. So they can use a quarter, 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 which is 75, a dime, which is 85, and 4 pennies for 89, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dimes, a nickel, so that makes 85, and penny, 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 which equals 89 cents. Now they can do it several ways. Those are just 2 examples they could do that problem. If you have any questions on the home link, please contact me via phone or by email. Thank you.